Hello grade 3, welcome to our new science session. Today we will study unit 9, lesson 4, what are some changes to matter. Let's get started. As we studied before, we studied physical properties. What is a physical property? A physical property is a characteristic that we can measure or observe. Physical properties are like mass, volume, shape, size, color, texture, length, and many other physical properties that we can measure or observe. Today we have a new term which is physical change. In a physical change, the kind of matter stays the same. What do we mean by saying this? No new substance is formed. The same substance is still here. Only some physical properties will change. Is it clear? Till now, I guess it's not. Let's make it more clear. Some changes can happen to matter, so some properties also change. When the change happens, some properties will change according to it. Like what? Like cutting. Cutting is a physical change. What happens when you cut something? A physical property will also change. Which physical properties changed here? The shape changed. Also the size changed. So cutting is a physical change, and according to this physical change, physical properties like shape and size also change. Another physical change is folding. Which physical properties changed according to this physical change? Shape of the paper and also its size. So folding is a physical change. Another one is tearing. Here the shape and size of the paper also changed. Breaking. What happened here when the pencil is broken? Its shape and its size changed. So some physical properties changed. Bending. The shape changed, so a physical property changed according to the physical change. Shaping. Like when you play with your Play-Doh, you make shapes, but the same substance is here. The same substance doesn't change. It's still here. So shaping also is a physical change. Physical changes again are like cutting, tearing, folding, breaking, bending, shaping. Many objects are made of one or more kinds of matter. Not only one substance, no, some objects are made of many kinds of matter. The final product may look different, but it's still the same kind of matter. Like what? Look at this ladder. It's made of wood. When a carpenter saws the wood and starts to glue it to take the shape of the ladder, what happens here? The shape and size of the material of the wood is changed, but it's still the same material. When you look at the final product, you will recognize it's wood. So this is a physical change, but some physical properties like shape and color and even size changed. Let's move to another point, which is a mixture. What is a mixture? A mixture is two or more substances that are combined without changing any of them. What is the meaning of these words? Let's have a look here to this fruit salad. It's made up of many substances. We have many fruits here: strawberry, grapes, mango, orange, berries. So we have many substances. They are combined, mixed together, but they do not change. Each of them is keeping its identity. When I look, I could know that this is strawberry, this is mango, this is grapes, and so on. So fruit salad is a mixture. Why? Because no new matter is formed. Each of its components keeps its own identity. Each piece is keeping its identity. So making a mixture is a physical change because some physical properties changed here. The size and the shape of each of these fruits. Another example of mixture, a box of paints and markers. Even your pencil case at school, it has a mixture of many things. Your pencils, your pens, your colors, rubber, an eraser, ruler, and many things. You can identify each of them. Each of them is keeping its identity. Another example of a mixture is a box of toys. When you put your toys inside a box, you can recognize each of them. Each of them is keeping its identity. It will not change. We have another example of a mixture, but with another name, which is called a solution. What is a solution? It's a mixture in which all the substances are mixed evenly. Now we cannot recognize each of them alone. How? Like when you mix salt and water, like the seawater. When you start mixing salt and water, they will make a solution. You cannot see the salt anymore. It disappeared. So it's a solution. Another example is tea. When your mom is making tea, she puts the liquid, which is water, hot water, and she puts the tea and sugar, so she makes a solution. You can find a final product. You cannot see the tea alone, water alone, and sugar alone anymore. To make a solution, you completely mix one substance in another. Like as we said here, the salt will completely mix it in water. We call this it dissolves. So the word dissolve means completely mix. You cannot see it anymore. Don't forget that all solutions are mixture. Like lemonade. Lemonade is a mixture of water, sugar, and lemon, but they are mixed evenly. They dissolve. It's also a solution. First, it's a mixture, and it's also a solution because the sugar and lemon juice have dissolved in water. We cannot see them anymore. They dissolved in water. Each kind of matter in a solution keeps its identity. Oh, how comes? We cannot see it, but we can taste it. The sugar is not clear, but when I start drinking the lemon juice, the lemonade, I can taste the sugar. I can taste the lemon juice. So it may not seem that way because you cannot see all the different substances. All their tiny parts are evenly mixed together. They are combined together. They are mixed together, but they are still there. Do you like Nesquik? It's another example of a solution. All the parts are mixed evenly. The powder of the Nesquik, also the sugar, they dissolved in milk, making a solution which is also a mixture. Thank you for listening, grade 3, and see you next time. Goodbye.